Do you want to upload or post long videos on your WhatsApp status? This is the video in which I will be teaching you how you can post more than 30 seconds of video in your WhatsApp status. It can be 10 minutes, it can be 15 minutes. Long videos can be posted in your WhatsApp status by using a simple trick that I'm going to share with you in this video. Stay tuned because this video is all about posting long videos on your WhatsApp status. Okay, so what do you do for posting a long video on WhatsApp status? So basically what we do is we make a 1-minute video, and if you want to post that 1-minute video on WhatsApp status, we trim and select the very first 30 seconds of it, and the next post will be of 31 to 60 seconds, and it will go on doing it. And this is how we post a longer video, but this can be quite irritating and quite time consuming. So this is an app called Whatsaga. You can use this app and you can easily convert your videos into small clips, 30-second clips, and that too in sequence, so that the video is looking like it's of 1 minute. But the thing is that it will be converted into 30-second small fractions, so that you can post it on WhatsApp easily and it will look like it's a complete 1-minute video. What you need to do in this app is just select the video, and after selecting that video, the next step is to select how much second clips you want to make out of this video. So I'm selecting here 30 seconds. As you know, the limit of WhatsApp is to upload 30 seconds. You should not select more than that. So I'm selecting 30 seconds, and after selecting 30 seconds, this app will convert that 1-minute video into 4 30 seconds video, and that will be in sequence, so that it will look like it's a 1-minute video. After that, this application will redirect you to the WhatsApp status section. Over there you can upload 4 of those videos. As you can see, those 4 videos are in sequence. So when you post this 4 video on your WhatsApp status, it will look like it's a 1-minute video. And this is the only trick by which you can post longer duration videos. The video should be cut it down into 30 seconds. Obviously it is not possible to do it manually, so you have to use this kind of application that will do it for you, and Whatsaga is one of them. There are many apps out there available that can do the same job, but I prefer Whatsaga. If you want, you can download any other apps too. This applications, basically what they do is they cut the videos into small 30 second fractions in a series, in a sequence. When you post it on WhatsApp status, it will look like it's a normal 1-minute video. And this is how you do it. And if you like this video, make sure to hit that big like button and comment your queries below. If you want me to make any other video or related to this topic or any other topic, so you can comment below.